everyone, welcome back to Havana Group's YouTube channel. I'm your host Christabella, and on today's topic we're going to be talking about real estate and why so many people see it as one of the smartest investments you can make. We're going to break it down into 5 clear reasons, and by the end of this conversation it should make a lot more sense why real estate keeps coming up whenever people talk about building wealth. And this is because real estate is one of those investments people hear about often, but the real reason behind it are not always explained properly. So on today's episode we have our guest. I'm going to let him introduce himself.
Hi, my name is Ifeanyi. I'm the guest for today.
Okay, so let's get right into it. Real estate appreciates over time, right? So what is the first reason you think real estate stands out for?
Well, the first reason for appreciation, that is the reason why real estate appreciates, is that it often increases in value over time, especially when it is in the right location.
Yeah.
That's one of the biggest attractions for people who think long term. You are not just buying land or property for today, you are buying something that can become more valuable later.
Okay, so the value can grow just by holding it in the right place, or...
Exactly. And that is why people pay close attention to developing areas, because the earlier you enter, the better your chances of benefiting from that growth.
So what do you think the second reason would be?
Well, real estate gives you something physical. It's not just an idea or a number on the screen like crypto and stuff. You can actually see it, you can touch it, you can hold on to it. That matters because a lot of people feel more secure when their money is tied to something real. Like you can actually see where your money is invested into and see it grow over time.
Okay, that makes a lot more sense, because I feel like some people would be insecure about investing in things that they can't really see. But with real estate, it's a property, you see the property, you go for inspections before you actually decide to invest in it. So I think that makes it more stable, because that's what is a physical thing, like you said, and people are able to hold on to it, so that feels more stable.
Yeah, and in a world where so many things can change quickly, having a stable asset gives people a sense of confidence. It is one of the reasons real estate stand out from many other investments.
Yeah. Okay. So what about location?
Okay, that's quite interesting. Location can change everything in real estate, because I think location is one of the main reasons why the value grows or dips. The property is only as strong as the value around where it is located.
Yes.
And that is why people look closely at areas with growth potential. If a place is close to town, accessible and developing well, the value can rise significantly over time.
I agree, actually. So do you have like some opportunities that you like to maybe use as an example for us?
Well, yeah, there is an opportunity that is currently on the table currently. And we have opportunities like Blossom Garden Estate from Havana Luxury.
Oh, okay.
The property is worth talking about. And it's located in Enugu State, to be precise, just 5 minutes from New Market.
Yeah.
Which already gives a strong advantage, because New Market is a market where everybody hang around. And the location is just 5 minutes away from New Market.
So basically it's closer to town. And what else would you think would be the selling point for Blossom Garden Estate?
Yeah, another selling point is that it has a nice view, which is a very favorable location close to town. It has a nice view from... If you get a house on top of that place, you can have a very good... how do I put it now?
Oh, are we talking like hilltop views?
Yes,
or
exactly.
Oh, okay, so you can see the city from the estate. Oh, so that's why those things actually make values go up or make it go down. So basically it is location, visibility and future growth, basically.
Yeah. And if you're the kind of person that you like the serenity of hilltop view, all those ocean view kind of thing, you will definitely love this place. Trust me.
Okay, let's dive into the fourth reason. What would you say about that?
Well, the fourth reason is not that new, but it's just something to be reminded of. One thing you need to know is that real estate builds wealth over time. It's not like a quick kind of thing.
Yeah.
Sometimes real estate power comes from the growth
Yeah.
from time to time. It does not just come once. If you get it now, you have to be patient with it and watch it grow and watch it grow.
So it's not a get rich quick
No, 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 no.
scheme.
Anybody who is dealing with real estate should
Yeah.
know that they are in it for the long term, not just
Yeah.
for a short
So it
term.
takes patience basically, because when you do acquire a land, you have to let it appreciate before you actually get your gain from it if you do decide to sell, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so it rewards people who think long term, basically.
Yeah, one of the reasons serious investors pay attention to it is that it builds wealth over time. And if you are the kind of person that wants to build wealth, you
Yeah.
would definitely need something like this as an asset
That's
in
true.
your um variety of assets.
Yeah.
You can add it to your asset and allow it to also grow steadily like that. So yeah.
Okay. So for the last reason, what would you say it is?
Well, the last reason I would like to add is that real estate can last for generations.
Yeah.
And it is one of those assets that does not just serve you today, it can also become something your family can benefit from later. That makes things different from many investments that only work for a short season.
Yeah. That makes sense. Okay, so it's you're basically saying that it's a legacy value too.
Exactly. And that is powerful because when people talk about building something meaningful, they are not always talking about the now alone. They're always talking about what can stay, what can grow, and what can continue to create value over time.
Because I think, in my opinion, I think real estate is really not going anywhere. I think the industry is here and it's here to stay. It's something that is constantly growing. It's never like, I've never heard, yes, there's been time where real estate might have done people bad, but at the same time I think the gains are way more than the loss would be. So what do you think would be your advice to people that are not into real estate yet but are looking to invest in real estate? What would be your advice?
An advice I would give to people who are looking to invest in real estate is basically you need to find the right opportunity.
Yeah.
It even becomes easier when you understand why real estate is growing because, like I said earlier, real estate grows because it appreciates, the land appreciates over time.
Yes.
So you have to find the right opportunity. And like I said previously, an opportunity is already given to us,
Yes.
which is Blossom Garden Estate,
Okay.
which is being hosted by Havana Luxury Properties.
Yeah.
And it also reflects a lot of things that make real estate worth paying attention to. Because number one, if you can get a property at Blossom Garden Estate, if you want to even reinvest, if
Yeah.
you want to there's something called land banking.
Yeah.
Whereby you buy the land and allow the land appreciate over
Yes.
time. You can just buy it, keep it, and watch the value increase steadily. And if you're the kind of person that also wants to build, feel free to build. You
Yeah.
get the view. The view is something words cannot even express, but you just need to,
So
I don't want to
Blossom
say
Garden Estate basically gives opportunities to constructors, investors, anybody in any field of real estate is open
yeah,
to
open
join
to
the
get,
opportunity.
yes, you're open to get it.
So for those who wouldn't know, a plot in Blossom Garden, what's the price on it going to be like?
It is normally it goes for around 10 million, but due to an ongoing promotion that we have currently,
Yeah.
it goes for 7.95 million, and it's just for
Oh, that's a steal. That's a steal price,
Yeah.
actually.
it's just for a few period of time.
Yeah.
So if you're out there listening to us, you can take up this opportunity right now.
Okay, guys, so that sums it up. Real estate is often seen as one of the best investments because it appreciates over time, gives you something tangible, location can increase its value, it builds wealth over time, and it can also become a lasting asset for the future. This is why we wanted to highlight Blossom Garden Estates by Havana Luxury Properties, because it reflects a lot of things that make real estate worth paying attention to. So at the end of this Joshua, we've come to the conclusion. Thank you so much for tuning in to Havana Group's YouTube channel. If this conversation helped you see real estate differently or ask any questions, you can leave them in the comments. You can share it with someone who has been thinking about investing in real estate or so. So if you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. Like this video, and don't forget to also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get updates on videos like this every single time we post. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.